In this video, I share with you 4 actions to really get where you want in life, to get things done and to be happy. Hi, I'm Linnea. I help female entrepreneurs streamline their businesses so that they can get more time for what really matters. If you're interested in my services, go to the description below. I talk to a lot of women business owners about how they can become more productive in their businesses, and that's my expertise, so I help with that, of course. But very often I see that productivity is not really the problem. I'm beginning to see a pattern here. But if you want to become really productive, make sure that to download the free guide that I prepared for you. You will find the link below. I see that often productivity is the symptom of something bigger. So the 4 actions that I have for you today are related to that. That's something bigger that we need to identify. So the first action is to be clear on your vision for your life. And you can do this in several ways. I'll link 2 videos about this. One is the 100th birthday, where you visualize what you will be thinking when you turn 100. And the other one is the future self letter. So the big thing is here to identify, what do you really want with life? Are you satisfied with what you're doing today? And you can divide your life into several areas, like your work life, your business, and your family life, with your, maybe you have a husband or kids, and the place where you live. Are you satisfied with where you live today? Would you like to move to a warmer country? Would you like to move somewhere else, maybe to the city, or you want to move to the countryside? Those are all aspects of your vision for your future life. The second action is to set priorities for your life based on your vision, of course. So look at a standard week in your life and then look at your priorities. What adjustments do you need to do? If your priorities is to be a lot with your family, look at your schedule and count how many hours you're spending with your family. If your priority will be to lose weight, then you need to put that into your schedule. If they're just tiny modifications, make sure that everybody around you who needs to know gets to know about this, like your husband and your kids, or your co-workers, if it's something that is changing just slightly. If it's a big change, of course, then I would advise you to get a coach to do this big transition in your life. The action number 3 is learn to say no and protect your boundaries. And this is especially difficult for women because we've been socialized to be accommodating, to help others. And just having a clear vision and a clear priorities in life will not help you reach those goals unless you get really clear on that you want to say no to lots of stuff in your life and you want to protect your boundaries. You will always have people who come to you to ask for help, who ask for meetings, who ask for things that are not congruent with what you would like with your life. So that is kind of hard for us women to do. I'll link some other videos related to that. Action number 4 is to learn to prioritize yourself. And this is so hard for women. You are the most important person in your life. It's not your kids. Of course, you want to be an excellent mom for your kids, but unless you are healthy, happy, fulfilled, there's no way that you will be able to be a great mom to your kids. What I see in my business with my clients is that when they have those 4 things, they don't really need that much of productivity coaching. We usually focus more on getting clear on the priorities, on what they want in life. And then the productivity kind of comes naturally. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this. Does it make sense? Does it apply to your life as well? That when you get clear on something, on what you really want and how you want to live your life, then you get productive. You become productive automatically. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do that and enable notifications so that you get notified every time I release a new video on how to streamline your business, how to become more productive, and how to be happier overall. I send you lots of love. Have a wonderful day.